What's up, guys? Huh? Hey, we in the city tonight, man. We about to snap up on one of my niggas clip and trying, bro. We gonna use this Fuji film, you know what I'm saying?
Follow me on Twitter and Instagram.
And we gonna have the fucking instant, you know what I'm saying? We ain't even worried about what he talking about, you feel me?
Nigga trying to plug this stuff up in the bed.
And look.
Oh, 2019. Oh, 2019, though.
Everybody get lit. Beach.
Bust it to the dance.
Yeah!
Oh.
I did half a Zan, 13 hours till I land. Had me out like a light, hey, like a light, hey, like a.
Don't shake it like it's tough, son.
Oh, that be about to. Damn, that's fire. This angle right here.
Like I'm gonna have. It look like a
Oh, fuck you,
That's your hard, huh? That's your hard. I was about to jet. Bro, look. You just lean.
Hey, this is not it, bro.
Nigga on your shoulder. Nigga lean on your shoulder. You hit the lean. And then I got the skateboard right here. Bam, look. You don't know what I'm about to do. I can chill. I can take off. You don't know what I'm about to do.
Touch.
I'm already, I need to look at
Touch. Playboy cousin. But they call me Polaroid Shorty when I'm on this. Playboy cousin. Polaroid Shorty. I ain't bring out Polaroid Shorty in a minute, so you hear me? Some shit going on tonight. Tonight.
Oh, fuck, I ain't got that.
Follow me on Instagram.
Bro,
I was waiting for my shot, though. I was waiting for my shot. Hey, that bitch hard, bro. I just don't know that turn. That is right there. What you rocking with right there? Hey, the coat on the flag? That nigga bitch is gonna be hard.
hard, man.
It's gonna be hard as a
It's gonna be
bitch.
hard to body.
How you gonna see it?
Right here.
I'm talking about to take the picture though, bro.
You gotta hold, no, don't hold it sideways.
Oh, it's sock. Oh!
For a look, yeah, get the.
What did you do? Hey, real talk. That boy like this. Like he was trying not to cry or something, man. What the fuck is you doing? Come on, man.
Hey, you know how hard it is for a nigga to get a pose? You know what I'm saying? And get a straight face?
He was like nigga said, boy, you better not cry. Boy had all his chest out.
Fuck. I can't do it. I can't do it. But I can't do it, bro. Fuck. Yeah, let's bend down or some shit. Fuck.
I'm like, look into that nigga, boy. Look at that nigga, I'm gonna bust out laughing, right? That's why I'm looking that way.
Hey,
I don't know what to do yet.
It don't matter. Do you, bro? You free. Hear me?
If you don't fucking snap
all right, man, go on. I'm gonna All right now, boy. All right now.
Nigga had the head back, eyes closed. So, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna do my next pose like that.
Oh, yeah, I don't know what the fuck we at right now. You feel what I'm saying?
Yeah. Oh, Tron, you should take this bitch. If you good with the camera, you should take this bitch because we fire right
You try to
now.
shoot
And I
video?
can see myself. Huh? What I'm talking
I'll
about?
shoot your shit. Oh, you talking about with this camera?
Yeah.
Why that bit red? What's going on?
That's the flash on. Think we should have the flash on?
Fuck, camera gonna be hot.
Yeah. Flash. Alright, you can just stand behind the camera. Been down with us?
I'm the photographer. I'm the photographer. Gotta get in that position right now. Ooh, hey.
Ooh, I think I was looking. Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
Stay down there, stay down there.
Huh? Stay down.
Stay down, yeah.
God, my knees hurt. Getting old, bro.
Oh, damn. Forgot the one. My bad, brother.
Fuck. Oh, that flash be hitting the nigga, boy.
You were kind of close at first. I ain't want to tell you nothing, though.
For some neon lights, so that's fire, nigga. If you see this shit right here, bro,
Yeah.
you want it dark and like the lights kind of popping a little bit.
You act like you want to phone with some light.
I hit that bitch with the flag.
Hold up. Nigga, hold up there. Nigga, hold on.
Right?
Hey, you two up, man.
Hey, hit that flip.
No more time, son. Hey, that belongs.
Them bitches came out hard, nigga. Polaroid things. Hey.
Say, when you gonna finish your verse, Josh?
What you mean?
For the song we had.
What's up?
Now he don't remember.
You know what you're talking
High school. Where you going, son? He's gonna do everything but his verse. Look at him.
Huh? Do everything with my verse. Put that shit up in the verse, nigga. I feel like everybody that say verse.
Nigga knew you was gonna say that.
Bro, no, you didn't, bro.
Nigga knew you
Shut
was
up.
gonna say that before you said it, son.
Well, you ain't
Come
know I
on
was
with some
gonna
shit. Come on with some shit you think I don't know you gonna say.
Give me a word and I'm gonna rap over it.
Bed.
Huh?
Bed.
You said bed or bed?
Bed.
Bed.
B-E-D.
Bed. My next rhyme, that bitch think I'm gonna say, hey. Look.
But you gonna say what? Dead, red, lead, fed,
Huh?
bread,
Nah.
said.
Look, listen. Hit her on the bed.
I just said that, dude.
I was starting over.
All right.
Hit her on the bed. Bitch needs some new knees because she can't feel her legs. Typical red nigga.
That shit weak, bro. That shit was weak, bro.
My private judge with the rod. It's his shit. It's his shit.
Follow your boy. Yeah. What along? I want a picture where it's like that building in the background. I feel like that should be tight as fuck. Wow, this shit about to be dope, bro. Hey, trying to hit that alone?
Man, fuck, man, I'm thugging. I'm fucking thugging, man. Nigga trying to pull a fast one on me, son. Nigga trying to pull a fast one on me, son. You tripping.
You thugging, huh?
I'm really that. Man. Man, ring no alarm, like Beyonce said, you heard me? Like Beyonce said, you heard me, ring no alarm. You know what I'm saying? Me, myself, and I, that's all I got to the end. That's what I found.
All three of us gotta be in this bitch.
I know that I would never disappoint myself.
Noodle, nigga.
Noodle. Popped her fucking strudel.
Took that shit.
I keep throwing words out.
Dream.
Dream. It ain't what it seemed. Throw another word out.
Lean.
I just said dream. It ain't what it seemed. Walk smooth, hit her with the shoulder lean.
How you gonna run lean?
I didn't. I said dream.
And I gave you lean.
And I said shoulder lean.
Basket.
Huh?
Basket.
Basket.
That bitch say bad.
What the fuck was that? You know what I'm saying? Look, I gave you that's the word.
Oh, look. I heard you say look. Alright. Look. Told him I don't need a book. Told him, look, man, come on, man, you can't be cutting up wrong.
Here come the hook. Stupid ass. I knew he was coming with that
Look.
If that bitch gotta cook, that bitch gotta lean. Lean with it, rock with it, shoulder lean.
Whose style is generic, mine's authentic made. I flow like a renegade, unique clinic aid. My techniques are bizarre and ill. I scar and kill. You were a star until I served you like a bar and grill. Oh, that nigga hard. That nigga M was hard.
Are you ready?
Yeah, don't come with the we got
Black
words.
bitch, white bitch, red bitch, brown bitch,
This bitch
dark skin. It don't matter. Fuck with me, I'm rich. She got look. She got stretch marks on her stomach. I'ma fly out. Bitch, you understand? I got a mama, but I'ma fly you out. Ho, don't play with me. Play with your man. You can't stay with me. Go stay with your man. Keeping up with the Kardashians.
Bro.
I can't lower my standards.
Bro, ain't it?
Hey, that shit coming out cold. Almost didn't make that one.
Black beats, white beats, red